Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use VN video editor on Android. So if you guys haven't have this VN app, you can just find it on your Google Play Store and install it. And in here is the home page of the VN. You can see here, here is my past project, and if you want to start a new project, you can just click on the plus icon, and then if you click on this people or person icon, you can sign in or either sign up to VN. And in here is the tutorial for VN, and in this like crown icon, you can see there is a VN Pro where you can use all features for free, but you need to subscribe on this app. And then if you want to start a new project, at the home page you can just click on the plus icon, and then here you can choose whether you want to use the templates from VN, or you can also just use a story overlay. And here you can also see this is my project, and I'm going to just click on new project, and here you'll be directed to your gallery. You can choose either video or photo to edit in VN. For example, I want to edit this videos right here. Okay, so there are so many features in VN. If you want to split or trim your video, you can just use these features right here. And if you want to adjust the speed of your video, just click on speed, and you can see there's curve where you can adjust or customize the speed on your video like this by dragging the circle up and down, or you can just use the regular one where you can just adjust the speed like this. And you can also add some filter here for your video. There are so many free filter that you can use for your video, and if you like one of the filter, just click on the check icon and it will be applied to your video. And to add transition, you just need to, I'm going to split it first. You can just click on the effects here. You can see there is a animation for your video, and to add a transition you just need to click on the plus icon in between the video here, and there are so many transitions that you can choose in here. Okay, if you want to add another video or photo on top of the main video, just click on this and just video or photo, or you can also use sticker, and you can also add some text and also music by clicking on these two. Okay, so that's basically the basic on how you can use VN on Android. I hope this will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.